This is the church video on how to build different databases. We are first going to log into our account. And it's going to take us inside to our home screen, which will look similar to this. Now, building different keywords is important because it's a great way to communicate with different groups within your church. For example, if you want to have one keyword for your youth group or your choir group to send them updates on rehearsals, events, things like that, it's a great idea to have a different keyword for each of these groups. So, to create a new keyword, simply go to Campaigns, Keyword, Create. Up top under campaign name, this is going to be how you are remembering it in the system. No one sees this, so we're going to do youth. This is going to be our youth group campaign. And we can have a different keyword for each of these groups. That's how we will track the databases and keep them together so we can send out messages to those groups. So our campaign keyword is going to be youth group. The campaign keyword can be whatever you would like, as long as it is available, and it will tell you that on the right hand side. In the reply message box, this is the text message they are going to receive right after they text youth group to 72727. So thanks for joining our youth group network. We will keep you up to date on the latest news and events. We can have up to 160 characters in this text box. If you need to roll over for more room, if you need to, write out some more copy, you could put it in the reply message to box. And when we're ready, we're just going to press save. And it is live and ready to go. So another good example would be, maybe we want to have a keyword for our choir group so we can let them know when practices and things are. So we're going to do choir group. That is going to be our keyword as well. And then, maybe in this message box when they text in, we're going to say, don't forget to make it to rehearsal next Sunday. You can put whatever you want in that text box, like I said, and you can go ahead and save this one again. If you want to attach an image, you could click this browse button right here, and it will allow you to attach any image you would like. If we were to hit save and schedule, this will take us to a screen that actually lets us decide how long we want this campaign running for. So if you know that, choir's not going to meet after the end of this year, maybe we want to set it up until December 30th, And if we were to do that, then this campaign would end on the specific date that we set it for. But if you don't want to have to set a time and a date that this starts and ends, then you can just simply hit save and it will be live until you delete it. Last one would be, a good one is going to be for all of your followers, all the congregation, to be able to text in to a keyword. So this, is going to be a big one, an overall database that you're building to keep all of your followers in the know. So we're going to call this overall church group, campaign keyword. We're going to choose the name of a church, possibly. That could be a good one. And then the message here is going to say, thanks for coming to church this Sunday. Click here to see our mobile program. This is just one example of to get your congregation to text into your database, and also to give them information they need that we want to show them on a mobile website, which we will get into here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now we have successfully 3 different databases that we can later push out messages to them on anything we need to update them on within our congregation. This has been the recording on how to set up different databases.